we will discuss about the linkage editor. It performs all the linking and relocation operations and loads the linked program directly into main memory for execution. Now, what is the problem? There are three or four problems. Number one is it is necessary to allocate, link, reallocate, and load all modules each time when the program needs to be executed. That is very time consuming task. Second is also the situation worsens if various programs are loaded and executed frequently but rarely reassembled. Next is third one is it requires considerable amount of memory space. These are the three problems. To solve these problems, we use the concept of the linkage editor. These problems can be solved by separating the task of linking and loading using two separate programs, that is called linkage editor and relocating loaders. Now, what is the linkage editor does? It reads all object modules, perform all linking and some relocation, but rather than placing relocated and linked program directly into memory, it writes its output on another file for later execution. Is this output file uh, is in format which is ready to be loaded, and it is called load module or executable file. Next point is addresses are relative, not absolute in this case. Second is linkage is similar to direct linking loaders. The third is load modules generated is generally in a form is suitable for processing by a relocating loader. Next is all the external references are resolved and and uh, these relocation bits are used with these bits. Load module can be further relocated as a single unit and can be loaded anywhere in memory. This is the general diagram of the linkage editor. These are the different object modules like 1 2 1 2 and 3. These are the library files. This is linkage editor. This all linkage editor is convert all the modules into the linked program to be for loaded into the main memory using a relocating loader. Now, what is dynamic linking? In all the linking schemes so far, a major drawback is that there are static linkers. If unnecessary subroutines are referenced but never executed, they still occupy space in memory. The example is a program that involves many subroutines, among which only one of them will be executed depending upon the contents of the variable at runtime. Like we have the C program main, then we have some lines, then we have the scanf statement, then we have if statement I is equal to 1, f1, next we have f2, next we have f3, and then we have some code lines. Now, when statistically link a program, the resulting executable file or code must contain all the subroutines and associated data that the program may ever need, but it becomes difficult task. Like in this case, we are using f1, f2, f3 functions. These functions must be in the we have to load these modules into the main memory if they are required by any of the user. Thank you.